What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem includes all of the living things, including plants, animals, and organisms, in a given area, interacting with each other and also with their non living environments, whether earth, sun, soil, climate, or atmosphere. It is a community of living organisms in conjunction with the non living components of their environment, interacting as a system. Every factor in an ecosystem depends on every other factor. A change in the temperature of an ecosystem will often affect what plants will grow there. For instance, animals that depends on plants for food and shelter will have to adapt to the changes, move to other ecosystem or perish. Here there are three major principles of ecosystem. First one is nutrient cycling, second one energy flow, and third one is structure. Then what is nutrient cycling? Movement of chemical elements from the environment into living organisms and from them back into the environment through organisms live, grow, die and decompose. Here we can see the nutrient cycling. Then what is energy flow? Energy is required to transform inorganic nutrients into organic tissues of an organism. Energy is the driving force to the work of ecosystem. Here we can see energy flow. Then structure. It refers to the particular pattern of interrelationships that exist between organisms in an ecosystem. Here we can see the structure. Now let us see the ecosystem once again. Here you can see the nutrient cycling, energy flow and structure all together. So, the whole surface of Earth is a series of connected ecosystems. Ecosystems are often connected in a larger biome. Biomes are large sections of land, sea, or atmosphere. Forests, ponds, rifts, and tundras are all types of biomass. They are organized very generally based on the types of plants, animals that live in them. Now here we can see the components of an ecosystem. Then let us see some of the abiotic components. They form the environment and determine the type or structure of ecosystem, like sunlight, nutrients, rainfall, minerals, carbons and nitrogen, etc. And what are the types of ecosystem? Tropical rainforest, desert, tundra, grassland, ocean, river, etc. Then we'll see the biotic components. First one is producers. The producers, it means autotrophs, means they can make their food by themselves. All green plants, they use solar energy, chlorophyll, inorganic nutrients and water to produce their own food. This is the process of photosynthesis. Then what are consumers? They consume the organic compounds in plant and animal tissues by eating. Here we can see herbivores, primary consumers, carnivores, secondary consumers and omnivores. Then what are decomposers? They are tiny organisms which include bacteria and fungi which turn organic compounds in dead plants and animals into inorganic materials. They cause the continual recirculation. They cause the continual recirculation of chemicals within ecosystem or nutrient cycle. Then biotic interaction, it is the relationship between two living organisms. Predation, when an organism, the predator kills and eats another organism, it's a prey. And what is symbiosis? Symbiosis is any type of a close and long-term biological interaction between two different biological organisms, be it mutualistic, commensalistic or parasitic. And what is competition? The competitive exclusion principle says that two species cannot coexist if they occupy exactly the same niche. Then what are the threats to ecosystem? For thousands of years, people have interacted with ecosystems. Many cultures developed around nearby ecosystems as human populations have grown. However, people have overtaken many ecosystems. Biotic members of an ecosystem, together with their abiotic factors, depend on each other. This means the absence of one member or one abiotic factor can affect all parties of the ecosystem. Unfortunately, ecosystems have been disrupted and even destroyed by natural disasters such as fires, floods, storms, and volcanic eruptions. Human activities have also contributed to the disturbance of many ecosystems and biomes.